Shopify is at it again, dropping some new features that are gonna help a lot of e-commerce business owners out here. So today I just got word of a thing that they just dropped called Shopify Collabs. Now, for those of you that are currently running an e-commerce business, you know that this is gonna be a game changer. So in this video, we're gonna go over this and learn exactly how we can take advantage of this as well.
Hey baby, what's wrong?
Why, look who just stopped to say hi. It's Nina. So as the headline states here, find influencers who drive sales. Now, influencer marketing has always been one of the best ways to drive conversions for your business because you not only get sales, but you also get a ton of brand awareness, which is huge, right? I mean, big companies spend literally millions and even billions on brand awareness. But what's really cool is that this is an actual app that you can integrate into your Shopify store. So now you can keep everything under one place. And this also goes hand in hand with the UGC boom, right? UGC stands for user generated content, and it's one of the most popular forms of content for advertising nowadays. I would know because we actually run an ad agency, and this type of content seems to be moving the needle the most. And what I feel this app is going to allow you to do is not only work on paid collaborations for sales, but also connect with influencers in your niche and get user generated content directly from them. So I think this is an amazing idea by Shopify. It's crazy, man. I feel like Shopify is always making the right decisions and always thinking of their merchants. They're really taking a lot of action going into the creator economy. You know, the last cool feature they launched is their collab with YouTube, where you can actually put your Shopify store as a shoppable feed in YouTube videos. This is obviously a bit different, but I think it's great because it's going to help all merchants, not just merchants that have existing YouTube channels. Though I will say, if you do have an e-commerce store, there is no reason why you shouldn't have a YouTube channel, why you shouldn't be posting short form content on there. It's one of the easiest ways to actually get organic reach for your business. I recommend it to all my clients. And as you can see from my own YouTube channel, that's something we've been doing. We've been posting some YouTube shorts on here. And even though a lot of them flop, some of them get pretty decent views. And it's really easy to redistribute this type of content across TikTok and also Instagram Reels. So again, this is just going to further help the short form content boom get even bigger, which is going to help a lot of businesses get more conversions for less money. Obviously, I'm biased. I think every company should have an ad strategy. However, I don't think it should be the cornerstone of the business. I think focusing on organic reach is a better idea. But obviously, you don't have to do one or the other. You can do both. And that's where I stand, at least. That's what I think is the best strategy. So yeah, guys, check out this app and shout out to Shopify. If anybody from Shopify is watching this, you guys are goated. I think Shopify is so cool. Let me know if any questions you guys have. That's basically all I got today. Just wanted to give my thoughts on this new feature that I found out about. Make sure you start your Shopify store with the link in the description. If we get enough people, I might be able to pull off an actual collab with Shopify themselves. I'm sure we can do it. So use that link, and that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.